today I'm going to do a review of these solar step lights. Okay, I got 2 boxes of them, so I'm gonna just go ahead and open one. We'll set the other one off to the side. These are made in China, and there's the part number on them. It is HG4128. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Alright, looks like we got screws and anchors. We got, I think there is 2 sets in each box of these lights. So there's enough screws and anchors. 2 sets, that's 4 lights. You got your little sticky pads. If you want to stick them on, you just peel that off and stick them on wherever you want to put them. And you got your little owner's manual. It says solar cell lighting. I'm a big fan of the solar lighting, and you know, so anything free electricity, I'm all about that. So let's pull these things out and see what they look like. I think there's 2 in a bag. Yeah, it is. So you have 4 of these in a box, and that's all it is to them. They got little screw holes here where you can screw them down in the solar panel, and they sit on the step, you know, like so. It's got a little tab in it right here, a little plastic tab. When you get them, I guess that keeps the battery from running down. So you pull that out, and it should light up. There you go. So we're gonna actually go out and install some of these and see what they look like in the night. So y'all come on. Okay, so here we are out on the porch, and got my lights, got my drill. That's what you're gonna need to install these with. Those screws, they're teeny. So I'd have to say probably one of the first things I would say about these is how small these screws are. It makes it a little difficult putting them in because they don't want to stay on the drill heads. And I'm using a number 2 bit, which seems to fit it the best. So, all right, come on, we're gonna just stick a couple of these on there, and as you can see, I've already put a couple on. I'll have one on each side on the top. My idea to start with is I'm gonna put every other step and see how that does, and if that's not enough lighting for steps, then I may come back and do every step. They're not that expensive. You can get them from eBay or Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them. I will note that I ordered 12 of these when I ordered them, and they sent me 4, and then I contacted them and I said, I ordered 12 and I only got 4, and they said, yes, that they were sending all 12, but they were sending them in different shipments. So, you know, that may be the case if you order them. It may not be, I don't know, but that's what happened to me. So anyways, let's put a couple of these on. Okay, so it's not really too bad putting these things on. It's just a couple screws, and they're done. And that's it. That's all it is to putting them on. You put a little strip out that the sun and solar do the rest, and that's all it is to these things. So I'll come back out when it gets dark and we'll show you what they look like. And hope you enjoy this little review on these lights. Okay, so as you can see, only 3 out of the 4 are working. I know you're having a hard time seeing me, but it's dark right here, and that's what it needed to be so that you could see the lights. But this one over, it actually works. It's just it hasn't had any sun because I just put it on a few minutes ago. So Tomorrow night it'll probably work great. But you know, these are really good about kind of showing the pathway, you know, so that you can see how to go up the steps at night when you come in. So far, I'm pretty impressed with them. And thank you for watching my channel, and like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you get the notifications when I put the next video out. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going with my channel, but you know, we're going to try some different things and see what works. You know, what the things that I do. You know, we're just going to throw them out there and see what happens. So, anyways, God bless you.